So I'm at this Omax mall at Chandni Chowk, and I am at the terrace, and this is something that I've seen for the first time. Such a massive parking on the terrace. It's a huge parking, and what it offers is a breathtaking view to Old Delhi. So we can see the Red Fort here, and this is the Gurdwara, and close to it is the Jama Masjid. So this is quite an amazing view. In just one view and from one place you can see the entire history and rich culture of Old Delhi. Now this is the night view from exactly the same location as I came back to collect my vehicle from the rooftop parking. And you can see the same places like the Red Fort, Gurdwara Sahib, and the Jama Masjid. But this time the lights are on, giving a spectacular view. So that's it. Do share if you have also experienced such view of Old Delhi from same or any other location. It would be nice to know about it. See ya.